if you can nail this recipe, it's just gonna be a winner like time and time again. Today, I'm cooking up a pizza entirely in the new Ooni Volt 2, and I'm gonna be cooking a pizza that's topped with a smoky sloppy joe sauce. So let's go. I've got the cast iron pan in the Volt. It's been heating up, and we're gonna start by just getting some olive oil in. So don't be shy about the amount of olive oil you use. And I can see that's going already. That's really, really good. So we're gonna get our beef mince in here. Hear the sizzle. And all we're gonna be doing is we just wanna brown this up. I'm gonna get some salt, some pepper. And I'm excited today because the Ooni Volt 2 means I can cook indoors, which usually I'm outside, it's freezing, it's the middle of winter at the moment and it is Baltic out there. So I'm super excited to be indoors in the warm. So all I'm gonna do here is just really thinly slice the green pepper. And what I love about this smoky joe sauce is it's a sauce that you can make ahead of time. Now, I'm really big on that. If I can take any stress away from the actual pizza making, I will. And this sauce elevates like a standard pizza to the next level. I look at this in two parts to make this sauce. We're gonna have the dry ingredients. So here I've got some smoked paprika, some mixed herbs, a bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna get that all over this beef. And already that hits the pan. Those herbs, the spices, you can just smell it. I'm just gonna give it a mix around and we're just gonna get it back in the Volt, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of crisp up the beef, but also it cooks the spices, it cooks the herbs. And that's what we want. So this looks great, smells amazing. I'm just gonna get it in, and that is perfect because it's gonna cook it super quick, but it's gonna caramelize the beef. It's just gonna add loads and loads of flavor to it. So we'll leave it in there for about 3 or 4 minutes. We'll get it out, we'll give it another mix, and then we'll add all the wet ingredients. Oh my gosh, the smell coming off this is amazing. Now, I'm cooking in cast iron today in the Ooni Volt 2. You can make this sauce on the hob. I'm doing it because it's just really fun to cook in the oven. Any excuse I've got, I will cook in it. I'm gonna add some tomato puree and some tomato sauce. We've got some sugar. And then I've got some Liam Perrins. This is just gonna add so much depth. Anytime I'm cooking beef, I'm always adding this to the sauce because it just adds to the flavor. I love it. And now some beef stock. And this will look like a really wet sauce. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna reduce it down. So we're gonna cook it in the oven. And again, it will take about another 5 minutes really, just over 5 minutes. And it will just make that really, really incredible sauce. Okay, so this has been cooking now for about 10 minutes and the smell is unbelievable. That is bubbling away. That is perfect consistency because as this cools, it will reduce a little bit more. So I want to try this because honestly, I can't wait until this is on top of the pizza. You need it to cool down before you put it on top of the pizza, else it's just going to rip through the dough. So a quick taste test. It's really hot, but so good. Honestly, that tastes fantastic. So now we're going to make our dough. So the dough I'm excited with because we're making it in the Ooni Halo Pro spiral mixer. When I'm making dough, all I'm searching for is consistency. I want to make that great dough again and again and again. And the Ooni Halo Pro allows me to do that. Today I'm using the recipe from the Ooni app. I'm using the classic Neapolitan recipe and it's great because I can tell it how many dough balls I want, the size of the dough balls. So to make my dough, all I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients, the flour, the salt, and then I'm going to add the water, the yeast, and I'm just going to mix it. I'll mix it for 10 minutes until it's really smooth. I'll give it an hour to proof. And you ball up the dough, put it in your proofing box, and after 2 hours, it should look like this. This is my favorite part of making pizza because it's the first time I get to properly handle the dough and just see how it's come together. I can see there's just bubbles everywhere, so it's fermented really, really nicely. I'm just gonna stretch it out. So with Neapolitan, all I'm doing is just pushing all the air to the sides. And I'm not, to be fair, the quickest when it comes to stretching pizza dough. I like to take my time. I like to enjoy the process. Like I said, it's just a great chance that I get to handle the dough, feel what it's like. The Ooni Volt 2 is preheated on Neapolitan setting. It's at 430 degrees Celsius, which for me is what I aim to cook pizza at all the time, but it just keeps that constant temperature, which I love. And this dough is just handling really, really nicely. I've got some pizza sauce here, just some tinned tomatoes. Now I know a lot of the purists are going to be saying, why is he using tinned tomatoes? But for me, I want that quick, high flavor, high quality. Next, some mozzarella, a little bit of red onion. This is one of my go-to pizzas at the moment. This is what I'm cooking for myself. Some jalapenos just for that heat. And now for the sloppy Joe beef. So I'm just gonna put this all the way over the pizza. It'll mix with the tomato sauce, the cheese, but that beef on top, it'll just go really, really crispy in the Volt too. And that's what I want. And then finally some Parmesan. Just adds a really nice salty finish to the pizza, and little bits of that Parmesan on the crust there will just like crisp up. So that is looking great, if I don't say so myself. I'm gonna get it in the oven. It's heated up, ready to go. Straight on the peel and straight in the Volt. This is kind of where the magic takes place. It's just cooking. It's gonna be about 2 minutes. And what I love is I don't have to turn the pizza. The rise on that crust is what I want. And look at this. That is a beautiful looking pizza. Cooked in the Volt 2, literally just under 2 minutes. I'm so happy with that. So I'm just gonna finish it with a little bit more Parmesan. And this is what I love about making pizza. You've got the sauce is its own thing, the dough is its own thing, but you bring it together, pure magic. So if you're gonna give this a go at home, please do. The sauce is absolutely incredible. It just adds that richness, that smokiness to the pizza, and it will transform a pizza into something really, really special. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this one's mine. I'll make another one.